Ginger, your online proofreading buddy. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of online proofreading and editing tools. These tools are immensely helpful in enhancing our written English. And one such popular tool we're going to discuss today is Ginger. If you often struggle with typos, grammar errors, or just need a helping hand to make your writing smoother, this video is for you. Ginger is an online proofreading and editing tool that helps writers, students, professionals, and anyone keen on improving their English. It not only corrects spelling mistakes but also suggests improvements in grammar, punctuation, and sentence structure. The beauty of Ginger is that it's like having a personal English tutor available at your fingertips anytime you write. Ginger offers a plethora of features to improve your English writing. 1. Grammar Checker. Quickly identify and correct those tricky grammar errors that often slip by. 2. Spell Checker. Say goodbye to typos with Ginger's robust spell check. 3. Sentence Rephraser. Sometimes we might write a sentence that sounds a bit off. Ginger provides suggestions to rephrase sentences in a way that they read better and are more clear. 4. Translation. Are you a non-native speaker or working with different languages? Ginger can translate your text into over 40 languages. Using Ginger is as simple as ABC. 1. Visit the Ginger website or download their app. 2. Copy and paste your text into the Ginger editor. 3. The tool will highlight errors and provide suggestions. Click on the suggested corrections to apply them. 4. Once you're done, you can copy the corrected text and use it wherever you need. 1. Enhanced Writing. With Ginger's corrections, your writing becomes more polished and professional. 2. Learning Opportunity. By seeing the mistakes you frequently make and the suggestions provided, you'll learn and grow as a writer. 3. Time Saving. Proofreading manually can be time-consuming. Ginger speeds up this process significantly, allowing you to focus on other tasks. 4. Confidence Boost. Submitting a piece of writing, be it an email, essay, or report, becomes less stressful when you're confident about its quality. There we have it. Ginger is a fantastic tool for those looking to enhance their English writing. Whether you're a student, professional, or someone who just loves writing, Ginger can be your trusty sidekick. We hope this video has been insightful. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with tools like Ginger, mastering English writing becomes a bit easier. Happy writing!